All right. Let's see over here. Let's see, pop out chat. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Good morning. What a surprise! Exactly. We got CPI. So why am I gonna miss CPI? Why? Why would I want to miss why would I want to miss or let go of a situation where I can basically get slipped into the market trying to trade the news? Why would I do that to myself? Well, because it's fun. It's exciting. It's nerve-wracking. When you get slipped, you're like, oh, how much did I slip? Or if you don't get slipped, you make money. You're like, oh shit, how much did I make? So it's exciting. All the time it's exciting. It's gambling. Trading news, buy stops, sell stops is basically gambling, but the main thing is you're keeping your risk in check. You're keeping your, your loss in check. You're keeping your orders in check. So I think it's fun. I literally enjoy it. I really actively enjoy the whole concept of trading, the whole concept about, risking money to make money, because scared money makes no money, and scared money is not betted in the market or the casino, so it needs to be betted in the markets or the casino. So the scared money can become brave money and attract more female money, and then you got more money. So yeah, CPI news, very, very high volatile news event. I think it's going to be amazing. It's going to be awesome. May get a chance to make a couple $1,000s. I think that's my goal. But also know this, right? So if you're going to be someone who's going to try to make your losses back off yesterday, which was Monday, on this one news, and if you're going to try to trade with bigger lot sizes, man, also remember, if you get slipped, you're getting fucked, right? Even though you lost money Monday, and if you get slipped, you lose more money, man, like, come on, bro. So what I tell people all the time, this is what you should do. If you really, really, really want to do something like that, right? If you really want to do something like that, take 10% of what you have in your account, put it in some other account, and then just trade that. Just go all full retard mode on that. Let's say I got $22,200 in this account, so I may want to take away $2,200 and put it in another account just to trade the news if I'm really up to it, But I think trading news, buy stops, sell stops, is very, very exciting, very exciting. There's nothing other than something else that I would do rather than doing that. Just, it's just crazy. I get so excited. Some people may say, oh, you're gambling. Oh, blah, that's fine. Like, I love it. I actually love it. And for people who come to see it, I'm pretty sure they love it as well, which is why we're all over here. What's the plan? Where will you set buy stop, sell stop orders? I'm going to wait for CPI, and then we're going to decide where those orders are going to go. Waiting for CPI. We will place buy stops and sell stops. The emphasis is on the we, because today it's us, we, all of us against the market. That's what's happening today. Do you think it's wise to take a loan out to fund your trading account? It's not wise at all. Like, you're asking for money from someone in order to risk that money in the market where there's a very high probability you're going to lose. How is that smart? That's not smart at all. Amazing why you always earn offline. Thank you, man. Thank you. I make way too much offline, man. Trust me. Like, so for Magic Keys in November, this whole Black Friday stuff, we sold around 900 units in a week and a half. 900 units. Just understand that. Just let it settle. Let it absorb. That's crazy amount of numbers, crazy amount of sales. Our whole shipping unit, like our shipping department, was all just clogged. They're like, what the hell is going on over here? What are we gonna do? Like, how fast can we have them shipped out? And that's only on, the last week of November. The incentives, that's different. I think in the whole November, we gave out maybe, I think 250, 280 Magic Keys to clients at Dominion Markets. It was insane month in November. Like, a lot of people got free Magic Keys. Some got enrolled in Market Fluidity, and yeah, we did pretty big withdrawals as well for clients here. And my withdrawal was maybe like 2,000, so I contributed something. When is the new trade breakdown video coming? 9 out of 13. I think I'm going to record it tomorrow on the plane while I'm traveling. Like the internet speed at on the business seats, it's way better than the internet seats you get at economy. I've tried both internets, and there's a big difference. There's actually a really big difference. You can trade from that class. You can, I mean, it's just crazy difference in the internet. Where do you see CPI going? Okay, let's talk about that over here. CPI. Let's see. CPI. So, they're looking at a lower number here, 7.3. They're looking at a lower number. Core CPI staying the same. I mean, I don't know. Lower number just basically means that there was a less change in the prices of goods. So this could go. Obviously, this could go either ways. But where is it most likely to go? That's the question. Looking at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I mean, if I just look at the 4-hour, maybe it's just retracing to move up. Like, wouldn't you want to see a 4-hour candle forming like this? Like, we're just going to talk about how candles would look better, right? Wouldn't this look way better? And we can say, oh, next one closed like this, and this one broke above the high, and now price moved up, right? Technically, that would look way better than a candle going down, because if we go down, then as this candle, see, like this. So as we go down, this candle breaking the high, we could say, okay, you know what? Maybe price grabbed liquidity to now continue to go down. So we don't know, right? Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, yeah, right. It's just consolidating over here. Very, very tough. Very tough. So that's why we use, that's why we use buy stops and sell stops for CPI. Buy stops and sell stops. That's what's going to happen today. So we're going to wait and see. But I would prefer buys much better, because I've seen that move happen multiple times where price just, continues to go up, and this becomes your sort of like a, I don't want to say it, but that seems like your booby trap candle. Okay. On what time frame do you look to set up stop orders? 30-minute time frame. If the 30-minute time frame is pretty big, then probably going to look at the 15-minute time frames. Talk about your order from before. Yeah, most certainly. So this was the trade right here. So we made a new high. Price came down. We created support. This candle closed with no wick on the top. So I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm not comfortable. As the candle closed with no wick on the top, so I waited for the next candle. Next candle created no wick on the top, and I'm like, whoa, what the hell? So there was no wick on the top created. And then when the next candle, it came down, I wanted to have a stop below this previous candle, because I was like, okay, you know what? If we've made a high, we have clean candle, and if price does go up, what sort of a range do I have? So I had like a 30, 28, 30 pip range. So I wanted to keep my stop small. I entered as it was retracing, and like that turned out to be a really good entry, and price moved up. Kind of like what we did right here yesterday on the live streams, if you remember. This is almost like the same thing we did on was it on the small time frames? Oh yeah, this was the buys over here. Yeah, this was the buys right here, I remember, because this price came down, so we wanted a price where the stop below the previous candle would be as small as possible. Yeah. Because realistically, if I would have hit my stop, which was below this previous candle on a 3 lot, I'm losing maybe like 170, $180, and that's less than even 1%, because my stop was too low right here. It was below the previous candle. So that's why having a great entry, it matters a lot, because you can have a smaller stop loss and you can still trade the size that you still want to trade, keeping your risk lower than what you actually want to lose. Because if I'm going for, let's say, 2% risk, then, and I know that I can have a nicer entry with a really good stop. A really good stop is below like a specific level or specific candle. In this case, it's usually a 30-minute candle. So if you can have a stop below that candle, like at that area where you want, and you can have an entry as close as possible to that area, your risk reward goes through the roof. you know, but if you take a 3 lot somewhere right over here and your stop is below the previous candle, now you're risking more than 2%. You're risking like 300 bucks, you know, but I can have a 3 lot right here and still, like, does that make sense? Raja, you're the only trader explaining trades. All these traders, pieces of trash. Keep up, brother. Out of South Africa. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Just taking out the trash here for everybody. Now someone's going to go to someone and say, hey, yo, Raja said you're trash. I put stop loss below and above 30 minutes and close chart for 15 minutes. Perfect. What's the buy stop, the sell stop for today? We have to wait, right? We got to wait because this 30-minute candle is going to close. We don't know whether it's going to continue pushing down or it's going to continue to push up. If it does form like this sort of like a volatile candle, you can see, right, how volatile this is, like up and down, then I'm probably going to take a look at the next 15 minutes to see how it closes. Yeah. If CPI comes lower than prior but higher than forecast, can we see liquidity grab? Yeah, man. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Why there's a different chart on the 4-hour of other broker? Because I have the best liquidity in the industry at this point. But they're just basically different times liquidity providers open and close. There's no difference on the other time frames. We'll be trading. Look at how markets will move. Yep, we'll see. What are your thoughts on China buying oil from Saudi Arabia in yuan instead of dollar? See, if the dollar goes away, then there's going to be yuan. And if you look at China, China is already working on digital yuan, you know, and that digital yuan, it comes with expiry date. Like once you get it, you have a certain time limit to spend it. So what does that mean? That means that China is already heading towards this digital age. So what's going to happen in 2026 when USD is gone and there's only digital yuan? Bro, CBDCs, one world currency. You're looking like a super moon, mashallah. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. You know, we give a lot to charity. A lot of it I don't even post about or talk about, but I think it's just because of that. There's like blessings just shining on me, and you can just see the blessings bouncing off of me. You know, it's called Noor. But you got to give charity, man. Like you feel good. You feel good, and yeah, probably. Oh, be careful today. Today we'll have a lot of volatility. Oh, thank you. Now we're going to be cautious. There's a lot of volatility coming. We are slowly unfolding the 2026 propaganda. Noor, what will you trade when Forex is replaced? I'm going to trade gold against digital yuan. How do you work on your psychology? By being disciplined. Most countries won't go for this crap, sure. Yeah, like cash economies like Pakistan, India, you know, like a lot of the part of UAE, all these are cash economies, and it's going to be very tough for them to get on board. I learned a lot of things from you. Thank you so much. Oh, we have 2,200 people, and let's get the likes up to 1,000 so we can continue to trade CPI. Let's get the likes up to 1,000. I shouldn't be, you know, live streaming today, but I love trading so much. I love gambling and using buy stops and sell stops so much that I had to do the live stream. Like I'd be online at this time anyway on YouTube, but you know, I love to do live streams. I love it. Absolutely love it. For that love, you got to pay something to me. You got to pay with a thumbs up. Give a like and subscribe to the channel because this is fun. Do you know ICT? No idea what that is. Will you fly Emirates or Qatar Airlines? That's irrelevant to your success, my friend. Casino time 15 minutes. Yep. India also launched digital rupee. Ooh, I doubled my account in 1 week just with 20 pips a day. Amazing. Like the stream, MFs. Yes, 600. 611. Can we get to 650? 650 to 700, 750. 611. Ooh, 624. Come on, everybody. We got to make sure we get the likes up to 1,000 or the stream's going to end in the next 5-minute candle. The next 5-minute candles. If we don't get to 1,000 likes, I'm going to end the stream and I'm going to trade CPI by myself. We're at 660 now. Will you put stop loss? Nope. There's going to be no stop loss on my buy stops and sell stops. There will be no stop loss. Does everyone get the 200 trading account with SRC? Yes. Yes, you do. 823 likes. We need 117 more. Oh, there we go. 150 more. It's closing in 2026. Hey, Raja, it's possible to put commission towards market fluidity or magic keys. After those are done, can someone choose to put commission towards a charity, a part of it? No, because we are not a we're a currency brokerage. We're not a social service charity organization. This blackmail thing's always, it's not blackmail, man. It's my payment, and I need my payment now. We're at 938 likes, 1,000. You're lucky I'm not shooting for 1,500 today. Yeah, that was wild, man. We reached 1,500. 1,600 actually. So yeah, we're just waiting right here, and you can see how price is just consolidating right now. We're just consolidating because we know, everybody knows there's a high volume event coming up. CPI, pound yen on the other hand. Let's do some breakdowns on pound yen. We're at 992, 1,000. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. No clapping today. Okay, let's see here. We got a resistance right up over here, 169,200, and we got a support. You know, now this is where things get a little tricky. This is when things get super tricky because you see these wicks, these rejections. So we got to take a look at that on a 15-minute time frame. And looking at the 15-minute time frame, what we find is this: a support. A support has been found for price to be supported. And we have found a resistance. Now, there's a minor support, but this is like a, you know, not enough range of rejection. It's just garbage. Just, I'm not even going to take a look at pound yen. It's just so confusing to even explain it. It's nothing, whatever. GJ is going to go up, sure, go take a buy. Gold will fall, sure, take a sell. Gold down today and will fly FOMC tomorrow, my thoughts, amazing. Why GJ so difficult nowadays? Just don't look at it, ignore it. 1% today, so no trades today anymore, beautiful. If I want to open $500 in Dominion markets, should normal or pro account? Pro account. Lower spreads, there's a commission, but lower spreads. You know, like if you trade with a standard account, you're maybe paying in terms of like you know, higher spreads, you're probably paying like 0.2 or 0.5 pip more. Yeah, living in Pakistan as insecurity and less wages, sure, that's irrelevant to what we're doing right now. Wouldn't they trade it digital like crypto? Don't know, don't care. So we got Comics coming up in about 55 seconds, and we shall see what it looks like right now. Lots of accounts will be blown today. Absolutely, lots of accounts are going to be blown. Also remember, if you get slipped on CPI, you are the one to blame because you're going to be trading if you get slipped. But I can guarantee you this, there's less slippage these days because there's a lot of volume in the market. I'm here just for fun. I actually just ignored that last statement. Just forget I even said that. Do you give signals? No. Yes. We're going to have buy stops and sell stops here soon for CPI. You can make lots of money. Any advice for traders who are new in the market? Yeah. Get rich or die trying. But at the same time, you got to focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at this abnormality. This is really abnormal for price to move the way it's moving. Like, you can take a buy and you can win a trade and be all happy about it, but there needs to be some, you know, some rhythm to the madness. There needs to be something like that. So Dominion has less slippage. I said, just forget I even said that. Made 1K in 2 seconds. Beautiful. Today GJ short was great. Yeah, thank you. Can you give a shout to Osaf Malik? No idea who that is. SSRC for beginners. Yep. Been doing this for weeks, and now comics open. Yeah, it was also comics too. Let's take a look on the small time frames. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This did actually predict that we could go up. Okay, interesting. What's your expectation for CPI? We're waiting. I'm going to use buy stops and sell stops on CPI and on my multi-million-dollar account, by the way. Yeah. I want to learn how to entry and exit market at good times. Well, There are no good times in the market. I'm tired of blowing accounts. Well, if you're tired, you need to do more cardio. How much time is it normal to lose before you get good? It's not normal to lose at all. You know, it's not normal to lose. I think what you need to do is to maybe manage risk, maybe see how you can lose less. That's, I think, the most important thing. How can you lose less today? Dollar reply is short. Can you tell the buy stop to sell stop too? Not now. Yeah, I'm gonna look at the buy stops and sell stops probably like 1 minute before the news. 1 minute before the news. Which pair are you trading for CPI? USD ruble. Great idea. Do that. How do you even blow an account risking 100%? Yeah. Have you heard about the prop firm trading scamming all their clients and saying ASIC Australia because them to see the oh wow, really? Damn. What did your account start at now, and how long did it take you 2.4 million? It actually started at 50,000 last April, and we're at total profits of 7 million. Withdrawals were over 4.4. What color is your bull candle? You can see that on the screen, I guess. How much was the highest amount you lost before becoming profitable? 120,000. What prop firm was it? No idea. Can we grow a $20 account? Stop trading, bro, with that $20. I have gone on a rant and blew 12% in one day. Discipline is a must. Yep. Discipline is a must. It's a must. In news hours, I'm scared of gold. I probably trade USDJPY with buy stops and sell stops. That makes sense. How did you feel when you made your first million? I don't know. I didn't really feel anything about it that I made my first million. I didn't, because I gradually went towards it. It would have been exciting if it came in all of a sudden, but when you gradually progress towards something, it's just whatever, because I think the biggest change comes when you stop caring about the grocery bills and that becomes normal, and you stop worrying about, the mortgage costs, you stop worrying about the rent, because let's say you're making 15,000 or 25,000 a month, and 25,000 a month is just over $250,000 a year, so that's not even close to making a million. A million is like making 100,000, close to 80, 90,000 a month. That's when you get to a million in a year, so, and that's a lot of money. So I think slowly I just gradually went towards it, just gradually moved towards stop worrying about the rent. Once I stopped worrying about the rent, then it was just whatever, everything that came in, you start to see, okay, what can we try, what can we build more, where can we deploy this money, what can we do. That's it. On a size of 10,000 account, lot size maybe one lot, can we trade buy stops with MFF? I don't know. Hey, listen, if you guys are trying to trade a funded account and you're trying to use buy stops, sell stops on a funded account, they're going to take your shit away. They will lock you out of that account, because yeah, they're against it. They don't like it. Don't do that. Do you think SRC will be a big impact for your students? Depends on the student. Does the 120K that you lost include Quadriga money? No. Wouldn't you say this is hedging with buy stops, sell stops? Yep. What other videos would you recommend for entries? Just the charts. Look at the charts. How did you purchase enable magic keys for your account? Through going to magickeys.trade. Also, I'm a part owner, so I get free magic keys, once every 12 months. Yeah, so I get a magic key every year. So far, I have two. Bro, tell us the limit. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you the buy stops and sell stops. Oh, almost died. Buy stops and sell stops, maybe a minute before the news. 1 minute before the news, I'm going to tell you. Slippage on funded accounts is ridiculous. Don't, yep. Whatever happened to the gold-plated magic keys? Oh, you wait. With this amazing progress, how much do you think money management has played a role? I think money management has played a really big role, because I think money management is learned over time as you accumulate a lot of money, because like, when I was working on the rigs, I was making like maybe like 8,000, 9,000 a month, and I'm being very transparent, 9,000 a month. And in the first few months, I was just spending money. I was just blowing money, thinking it's going to continue to come in, come in, come in. So that's where I lost a lot of money as well, working on the rigs, because I was spending a lot, and that taught me about money management. So when we started our door-to-door sales business, that grossed, I think, around 2.5 million in the years we ran it. I think we ran it for about a year and a half. So by that time, I already knew how to use money. So then when trading came in, like, the money mentality was there, basically. So that's why that's basically how I manage money. Like, you need to have a lot to then kind of like, see if you can really manage it. Some people go crazy. Some people go nuts. They buy designer this, designer that, all these things, So for me, the main thing has been real estate at this point. CPI 7.3%, stocks crash. All right, we're going to see. How can we thank you when we become a millionaire? Just get me a good steak. Can you do boot camp in Africa? No plans yet. What do you think of trading CPI? Sure, do it. So we got about 3 minutes left, 2.5 minutes left. Yeah. What's your thoughts on James' funded company? He's working with Air JFX broker, and tell people to deposit on that broker for 10K giveaway to create funds to pay out people. Lol, this industry is so dirty. Man, I don't know what's going on over there. $200 for every SRC account. That's kind of sick. Yeah. If you sign up to Smart Raja Concepts and you have an account on Dominion Markets, that account is going to be funded with $200. Ever heard of Audacity Capital? Yeah. The audacity of them to reject me. Audacity Capital? You have the audacity? Yes, sir. We're full of audacity. That's why we call Audacity Capital. Has anyone heard of Audacity Capital? You have the audacity to ask that question from someone who already owns the platform? Oh, another funded program. Oh, yeah. That's hilarious. All right, serious now. We got 1 minute left over here. So I'm going to put a buy stop above this 15-minute candle. Yep, above that 15-minute candle. And I'm going to have a sell stop below. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do, right? I want the sell stop to be below the current 15-minute candle. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep trailing it below the 15-minute candle right here, because the buy stop is too far away from. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Move, buy stop, don't get activated. Wow, you see that? Yeah, so look at the spread, man. Holy. The spread is widening up. Yeah, I got to keep these buy stops and sell stops away from the price, because in the last few seconds, I'm going to bring it right close to the bottoms and the tops. Wow, bro, look at that. Look at that. Oh, what the hell? Yo. Whoa. Oh, shit. That's not good. Looks like we're going to go down. God damn. That went quick. All right. Yeah, it lagged. It stopped. Something's going to happen. Some crazy numbers came. Oh, damn. Wow, look at that. Holy. Look at that push. 160 pips. Whoa. People got slipped, man. People got crazy slipped. 100%. There's no way. There's no way. Wow. Super bad numbers. These are just super bad numbers. This is crazy. The way it spiked up. Oh my God. 7.1, 0.1, 0.2. Super bad numbers. Holy. No wonder it just couldn't wait to break up. Look, it went up. Lost like 6,000 there, but wow, this is insane. 230 pips. Did you see the way it stopped? It stopped so much. Made $200. Thanks, Raja. Nice. Very nice. This is crazy. People made money here today, man. Crazy. Yeah, that's insane. This thing stopped for a good, I'd say like maybe like 5 seconds, 7 seconds. Yeah, 140 pips, man. People made money here today. Beautiful. Someone made 11,000 euros, 140 pips, $400, 1,800, 160 pips, 11,000. Again, this one guy, man, this is insane. Well done. You gained 20,000. No, I didn't gain nothing. It jumped before the news. Yeah. That's it. Emotions are obstacles stopping you from succeeding. That's correct. Would you agree? That's correct. 135 pips, 2,100, 30K, 22 lots. Wow. $10, 4%, 4,100 tonight. Yes. Amazing. What pound yen did? Oh, god damn. Pound yen just gapped down. Why didn't you enter? I already entered, man. Look, I lost 9 grand. Cause like, look at the price. Price activated, like, when it jumped up, it just retraced right after that. So I lost over there. But that was crazy. The way it went up, I was like, whoa, insane. Beautiful. The move was obvious in EURUSD. Yeah, sometimes. I got coupon code for Dominion Markets, but it's not working on Magic Keys website. What can I do, bro? Email Magic Keys. They give us the coupon codes, and then we're sending them off to you, so email them. 500% on special account for news. Beautiful. $1,000 profit today. Beautiful. Close sell stops. No. What if price goes down? Yeah, this is crazy. Do a giveaway when you hit 200K subs. Okay, I'll do a giveaway. But how is me announcing a giveaway is going to make people to follow me? Damn, look at that retracement. Ooh.
Hey, Raja.
Hey, Ravi.
How you doing, brother?
Good, good, bro. How are you?
Blessed, man. Doing good, man.
Yeah, that actually went very well.
Yeah, man. It's good, man. The market, like liquidity there, like all the orders coming in, it just paused the market
Yeah.
on several, like even the biggest like liquidity providers. So amazing, man. Amazing.
Yeah, exactly. It was insane. How do you anticipate?
I'm surprised, man.
Yeah.
Your Dominion Markets is doing very well in terms of speed, man.
Oh, damn, nice.
Incredible, man. Like, I want to salute you for that, bro. You guys are
Yeah,
doing a
thank you.
terrific job.
Beautiful. Yeah, we had a little bit of ups and downs in the beginning, but now things are running very, very smooth.
Stabilizing, yeah. And you're a good businessman, man. A lot of people have trust in you, so, bro, man, your business will grow.
Mm-hmm.
How's everything, bro? Good?
Great. Everything's good. We're just getting ready for the boot camp in Dubai, yeah.
Yeah, maybe next year for me, bro. I'll just come by and chill.
Oh, nice. Yeah, beautiful. Or even Miami.
Miami, I'd come to, man, but I don't know. I think I'd get in too many scraps.
Why were you a felon over there?
No, man.
You're not allowed. Hey, brown guy, go back.
My aunt lives. A lot of Canadian people go out to Florida too, right? So
yeah, that's true.
Good days.
Yeah. 2,900. Oh, nice. Can I have pro account in Dominion Market with $100 deposit? Sure. Yes, you can. But anyway, I'm gonna head off. Yes, Carlos, I'll see you there. I'm gonna fly out tonight. Check US 30 for once. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that gap and retracement. All right, everybody. Take care. We'll see you
Take care, everybody.
tomorrow for FOMC.
Again.
FOMC coming in strong tomorrow. Goodbye.